Now, there's a big update on the Panchayat polls. The Calcutta High Court has now taken note of the violence that took place in the state of West Bengal. Since the time the Panchayat poll nomination was announced, there has been violence and a lot of deaths also took place in the state of West Bengal. And now the Calcutta High Court has made it clear that the victory of candidates will depend on the final judgment. And in fact, the High Court has also directed state EC and government to file responses on BSF's claim of not deploying forces in sensitive booths. CNN News 18's editor East Kamalika Sen Gupta is joining us on the story. Kamalika, can you tell us more about this direction that has now been given by the Calcutta High Court?
Yeah, there are several cases regarding the election. The Panchayat election. There is one case by Shubhendu Adhikari and Adi Chaudhary. There are another three fresh PILs that has been filed yesterday. So court has sought a report from every side. And there the court commented yesterday that the court is surprised to note that even after the declaration of the results, the state is not able to control the violence, which has erupted in several places. Along with that, they have also said that various allegations have been made in all the three writ petitions which was filed yesterday as to how the liberty of the citizens have been compromised and the police have not been extending a helping hand to the innocent citizens who are being affected after being the declaration of results. And since the case is regarding, there was a demand of repoll and all these things were there in the petition. So the court has said that till the order does not come, the court order will decide about whether the candidates who have won, they have really won or not. The essence of the spirit of that comment is that. So the responsibility, they have further commented, the responsibility ensures that there is no breach of peace lies with the state government. If the state government is not in a position to safeguard its citizens, then it is a very serious matter to be taken note of. But this is a very serious observation also. One, that the spirit of that observation is that people who have won will only be recognized won when this case will be, the case order will come. Number one. Number two, it gives a very serious observation on the state government's failure to protect the safeguards of its citizens. After the results are out, even now while violence is taking place, that question is raised in the court. So that's a very serious question that has been raised in court. The next hearing is 20th July. Till then, everybody has been asked to give their affidavits, and also the assistance or the central government lawyer in court has stated that there was no cooperation and there was no sensitive vote declaration by the state to the central forces. That they have been saying from the poll day. That area also has to be answered by the State Election Commission. So all these points have been raised, which are very serious points and which are very serious observations.
All right, Kamalika, thank you so much for getting us all those details.